so agritech provider, 'di ba, we provide mga agritech solutions to farmers, mga data-driven, mga data collection, sensors, and
Hmm.
IoT. Ang problem po kasi sir is, first is hindi siya scalable. Kasi iba't ibang farms, iba't ibang problems, iba't
Hmm.
ibang solutions. And ikalawa po is yung aging farmer population. So the average age of a Filipino farmer is 50 to 60 years old. So hindi po sila talaga makaka-adapt sa technology kasi nahihirapan
Hmm.
nga sila. And lastly is yung economic status. So according din to statistics, farmers and fisher folk are among the poorest in the country. So if focus kami sa technology na aspect, no, hindi po talaga siya maging sustainable. Kaya ngayon is we pivoted. Actually, I cannot mention din po kasi share ko lang po,
Sure, sure.
we're in talks with an angel din. So parang ang galing niya na angel kasi hindi siya conservative, sir ba. So yeah, right now is we are in R&D phase. Bale
Hmm.
into a different product na, and hopefully we can launch this year or early next year.